1. I present to you a stylish 1966 Ford Mustang, available for purchase at the price of $19,000 and currently listed for sale. This iconic car, painted in a vibrant red color with a light beige interior, captures attention with its original style and reliability. With a mileage of 100,000 miles, this Mustang is equipped with the original 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The entire interior is adorned with the original pony finish, although some elements require minor attention and care. All gauges and systems are fully functional, adding confidence in the reliability of this car. This Mustang preserves its historical value with minimal body restoration work. New tires and a fuel system ensure that the car is ready for new adventures. The car starts easily and drives well, providing an excellent starting point for restoration to its original style or customization to your preference. With more than 3 previous owners, this Mustang is your fully paid ticket to the world of automotive legends. If you are looking for the perfect starting point for restoration or customization, this 1966 Ford Mustang can be your unique and reliable companion on the roads. 2. Introducing the restored and magnificent 1977 GMC Sierra Pickup, offered for sale at $18,500. This truck, a true almost new, provides a unique opportunity to acquire a refreshed version of the Sierra C25 Long Bed Camper Special for less than 25% of the cost of a new counterpart. The owner of this model year has managed to invest in numerous new parts and improvements, making it not only visually appealing but also uncompromising in performance. This Sierra C25 has been updated in almost every aspect. The new interior and fresh paint give it an appearance almost like that of a new truck. The interior stands out with new seats, carpeting, and a modern audio system, including a subwoofer behind the rear seat to enhance the pleasure of your trips. Mechanical improvements include a completely rebuilt 454 engine, a new turbo 400 transmission, and a newly assembled drift shaft. To enhance the truck's handling and stability, new upper control arms have been installed. The truck is also equipped with a new air conditioning system, making trips comfortable in any season. The owner emphasizes that all major components, including windows and brakes, operate flawlessly. This Sierra C25 is also equipped with power windows and brakes for added safety and driver comfort. If you're looking for a truck with a strong character and a new lease on life, this 1977 GMC Sierra Pickup is the perfect choice for you. 3. Introducing the original 1979 Jeep Wagoneer Limited, available for purchase at $30,000. This off-road vehicle combines a unique style and reliability, remaining true to its original look with some enhancements for enhanced performance. The owner of this SUV has put effort into maintaining it in excellent condition, both on the exterior and interior. The vehicle's exterior and lower body are in excellent condition, with recently replaced springs and shocks to ensure stability and comfortable driving. The original green body color gives it a distinctive style, making it attractive to classic enthusiasts. The interior of this Wagoneer Limited is also in excellent condition, as confirmed by the provided photos. Beige tones create a cozy and stylish atmosphere in the cabin. The original atmosphere of this off-road vehicle is preserved inside, but with the addition of some modern enhancements such as Edelbrock intake, Holley 4 bubble, headers, and electric fuel pump, providing additional performance. With this Jeep Wagoneer Limited, which has covered 86,000 miles and comes with a clean title, you get not only a reliable means of transportation, but also a piece of history that continues to impress with its style and character. Additional information and photos are available upon request. 4. Introducing the unique 1976 Chevrolet Camaro, available for purchase at $10,000. This car boasts a distinctive design and history, preserving its originality and style. Now it's looking for a new owner ready to continue the story of this magnificent vehicle. This Camaro features a unique combination of orange exterior and rare white leather interior, making it truly outstanding. The car is equipped with the factory air conditioning system, which is still in working condition, providing comfortable rides in any weather. The interior of this Camaro is entirely original and in excellent condition, The original cassette player with a 5-disc changer in the trunk gives this car a unique character. All elements in the cabin, such as power windows, central locking, heating, and others, function properly. The rare white leather interior adds luxury and style to this Camaro. Mechanically, the car is in excellent condition. 5 years ago, the 350 engine was rebuilt with the installation of a mild RV camshaft, giving it additional power and character. The factory 350 transmission works perfectly, ensuring smooth and confident shifts. With 3.73 rear gears, the car is ready for dynamic drives. Recently, the car underwent extensive updates, including a new exhaust from the manifolds to the rear bumper, new brakes, new front springs, and a complete reconstruction of the front axle suspension. Also included in the package is a 3-piece spoiler requiring painting. This 1976 Chevrolet Camaro presents a unique opportunity to acquire a rare car with history and character. Boldly join its story and become the next proud owner of this magnificent vehicle. 5. Introducing the 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook, a unique offering in the classic car market, available for $15,000. This restored 4-door sedan represents the perfect blend of style, character, and modern enhancements, making it a distinctive car for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. With 42,000 miles on the odometer, this Meadowbrook offers a smooth and comfortable ride, enhanced with modern upgrades. The original engine has been replaced with a powerful Dodge 440 big block, and the 727 torque-flight transmission ensures excellent driving dynamics. For added safety and efficiency, the car is equipped with disc brakes and a power steering system sourced from a Reading police car. This Meadowbrook also features a modern air conditioning and heating system to provide comfort in any weather. Additionally, it comes with an audio system featuring a 7-inch screen and a rear-view camera. The stylish green exterior paint and gray interior complete the overall look. Owning this car will be a genuine pleasure as it represents a unique combination of originality, power, and modern conveniences. The vehicle comes with a clean title and without any significant damages or issues. This 1950 Dodge Meadowbrook is more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history that you can add to your collection. 6. Introducing the 1940 Plymouth P10, a magnificent car with excellent style and restored character, available for $17,000. This unique convertible combines vintage charm with modern enhancements, making it a beautiful acquisition for classic car enthusiasts. With this Plymouth P10, you get a true hot rod featuring a 230 cubic inch engine with dual carburetors, aluminum head, split cast iron exhaust manifold, aluminum radiator, and electronic ignition. The car has also been converted to 12 volts using new cloth-covered wiring. New white wall tires have been installed, turn signals added, and a new exhaust manifold crafted. While there are still some details to complete, such as carpeting and a few minor items, this Plymouth P10 is already set to impress with its appearance and performance. The car comes with a clean title and without significant damages or issues. The yellow exterior and brown interior give this car not only a distinctive look, but also preserve the original character of its time. This 1940 Plymouth P10 is more than just a car. It's a unique representative of automotive history ready to meet its new owner. 7. Introducing the 1977 Ford LTD, a splendid vintage car available for $7,000. This 4-door sedan with a landau top is a true gem for antique car enthusiasts. Since its release, this car has been meticulously maintained and is in excellent condition, transforming into a unique collector's item. With this Ford LTD, you get a reliable 400 cubic inch engine paired with a C6 automatic transmission. The car has traveled 106,000 miles, but due to careful maintenance, all its systems are in good working order. The interior is in excellent condition, featuring soft seats, impeccable upholstery, and original paint that create an atmosphere reminiscent of past decades. Although there are some minor flaws, such as paint defects, fading, and chips, the overall visual impression of the car remains splendid. The trunk surface may show signs of surface rust under the paint, and the vinyl top is not perfect below the rear window. Nevertheless, the car promises reliable performance and excellent condition for its age. This Ford LTD is more than just a car. It's a piece of history ready to continue its journey with a new owner. It comes with a clean title, absence of serious damages and problems, making it an appealing choice for those seeking a unique retro automobile. 8. Introducing the 1984 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme, an outstanding vehicle with 157,000 miles on the odometer, available for $5,500. This sedan has an amazing history. Originally owned by the dealer's wife and used for personal purposes, covering over 80,000 miles mainly on the highways of Central California. In 1992, the car was acquired by the mother-in-law and has been meticulously maintained since then. In 2000, it made its way to Orcas Island and has primarily been used for short trips to the store and back, as well as occasional visits to the casino in Anacortes. This Cutlass Supreme impresses with its straightness and a lack of damage history. The interior upholstery remains in original condition without defects. Even the dashboard shows no cracks. The car received regular oil changes, new tires, a battery, and shocks as needed. Recently, the generator, hoses, belts, and other parts were also replaced. All service records are available. Although the car has minor discrepancies, as is inevitable for a used vehicle, it retains its appeal and reliability. 9. Introducing the stunning 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible, available for $26,500. With 65,000 miles on the odometer, this car is a magnificent representative of full-size convertibles. Powered by a robust and reliable 350 rocket engine coupled with an automatic transmission, this Cutlass Supreme ensures a comfortable and stylish ride. The new vinyl top with power operation works seamlessly, adding an elegant touch to the car's appearance. This car is ready for long road trips, and you can be confident in its reliability. The excellent condition of the body, highlighted by a recent wet sanding of the paint, gives it a brilliant and polished exterior. The 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Convertible is not just a beautiful car, but also a remarkable representative of automotive history. With its enduring green exterior and a matching interior, this car stands out among others. Behind the wheel of this beauty, you'll experience not only comfort, but also the joy of driving. 10. Introducing the stylish and reliable 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, now available at an attractive price of $6,800. This car, with automatic transmission and an elegant gray exterior, comes with a clean title and is free from significant damages or issues. The owner has made several notable upgrades, including new brakes, a generator, belts, carpeting, headliner upholstery, taillights, headlight bezels, grille, emblems, and rumper seals. Some hydraulic components have also been replaced. The car comes with its original hubcaps. The seller notes that the car is drivable but needs a new battery and tuning. This 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is not just a car. It's an opportunity to acquire a stylish and updated classic vehicle at an affordable price. With its distinctive design and fresh updates, it represents an excellent deal for those who appreciate vintage cars with modern enhancements.